So they enter Arabic as if it's a math subject. Rules first, charts first, i'rab first, terms first. And what happens is that they feel like Arabic is too hard. They quit before they even say a basic sentence. But Arabic, at its core, it's not grammar. Arabic is a language, and a language is something you build as a skill, not something you solve like an exam. You don't need to understand every rule to start communicating. You need to start acquiring words first, using them, and then building a real ability inside of you, your tongue, a trait that is part of you now. Is rasikh عندك, is thabit, is part of you. That's why the scholars, when they speak about the language, they speak about two things: vocabulary and the laws or qawaneen, or yani the rules that organize vocabulary, that puts together in a sentence to make sense of that vocabulary. Not the terms first, the qawaid, the principles first, then maybe words later.